primalbo d'estiu. Es tornado per las Americos, in lai cendres, amb l'auroro, amb l'apuecho, os silenci, esas balisos lucentos. In sus pelses de flu de nuecha consumidos. Din os hostals de las tampos dubertos, os espuses dormissum cum al primiet sur, diuses de cendre perduts in la car de lor pantaises.
First summer dawn. She's gone back to the Americas, in the embers, with the dawn, with the rain, silence and her glistening cases. Night flowers lie sleeping in her hair. Inside open-shuttered houses, couples sleep as on the first day, gods of cinder, lost in the flesh of their fantasies.
Now, let's have some other poems. Pantais. Fai freddi mon amo. Es romantic e desuet. Eu aurei preso la nau in Grecia. A Santuri aurei limpat sur l'eschino d'un nase fins alla mar. Aurei penciat mon lume alla branco d'un olivier e di un stal blanc. Aurei aimat e pescaires esperitals e de munches desfrucats.
Fantasy. My soul is cold inside. It's quaint, romantic. Me, I would have boarded the boat in Greece. At Santorini, I'd have drifted on the back of a mule, right out to sea. I would have hung up my light on the branch of an olive tree. Inside a whitewashed house, I'd have made love to divine fishermen and defrocked monks.